Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were going through your Runna app but suddenly you aren't receiving any notifications. Or maybe you are getting too many alerts from the app itself or not enough as I already told you. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually manage notifications in Runna app fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, go and find the notification settings by opening the Runna app itself. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. But you're gonna ask me how would I access that dashboard? All you're gonna do is log in using your email address and password, then go all the way, tap your profile icon, scroll down to find notification preferences or language and notification preferences. Tap on it, then open the notifications settings. So what you can control now is different notification types such as workout reminders, alerts when it's time to run, or even motivational messages like they gonna help you, send you some tips, community updates such as posts from the Runna community itself, or even the product updates talking about new features and even announcements. So you can basically tap each toggle to turn notifications on or off based on your preferences. But if you want to access the phone settings itself, you're gonna go all the way, tap on basically long press Runna, then tap on info, go all the way to notifications and block them fully from here. Or basically you can allow them to access all of the notifications at once. Just enable here, allow notifications. And you can pick lock screen, batch, pop-up, alerted sound and vibration, or even silent. It depends on you. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.